Welcome back to Nifty Garage. My name is Sheldon. Today we have a 370Z. Well, I'm sitting inside of a 370Z. I'm going to teach you how to remove your headliner out of your car. And the reason you might be doing this is because maybe you're doing like a different color fabric on top, or if your roof airbags are blown, you're going to have to pull the headliner out. So I'll show you how to do it. All right, so you may notice that the car is pretty gutted. Hopefully your car doesn't look like this, but how you get the headliner out is you have to get the B-pillar, C-pillar plastics off from driver and passenger side, and then you also have to get your A-pillars off from the driver and passenger side. You don't need to take your dash out, you don't need to take the carpet out, and you don't need to take the seats out. I kind of set the plastics back in here just to kind of give it a visual effect, but since all these plastics have already been out, I can just pop this out. You're also going to need to remove your seat belts. You have to gut from behind the seats all the way back, so just take everything out. But first things first, I'm going to pull the B-C pillar plastics out. There is a plug right here for the B and C pillar. So let's unplug that. Come on. We'll do that, and then we're just going to get a pry tool under here, pop this down. All right, so that is one side out, and this plug, not quite too sure what it does. There's a little sensor in here. Now we're going to do the driver's side. I'm just gonna kind of loosen this up a little bit. All right, so we did not unplug this side. There's also a sensor over here. That sensor that I don't know what it does. All right, so the B and C pillar plastics are out. Now we can see that the weather strip is also out. That is part of gutting the rear portion of the interior. There's going to be a few push tabs, just plastic tabs that go into the roof right here. I believe there's 4 or 5 of them. I'm going to wait on that. Now that we're waiting on this, and the reason why I'm not doing this right now is because if I pop this down, it's going to be hanging on me and it's just going to be annoying. So do that last. Everything is free. Normally you will have a clip like this. This was in an accident, and I'm assuming 2 people's heads hit right here, so those snapped off. But this will be up in your roof, and there's a slot on here. So you push it up, and then you spin it this way, and it comes down. So that's how you get these out. So both of these are already out. You can see that the visors are free. And then there's going to be a little cover up here. Pop that down. There's going to be 2 Phillips heads in here, and there's also going to be a wire in here. So just kind of pull down on this, unplug your wire, and I try not to like damage the headliner, so I'm not really prying off of the headliner. Alright, so we're going to pull this down. We have another wire in here, and our visors are out of your 370Z. And then there's going to be a wire over here on the driver A-pillar. We're going to unplug that. There's a little harness right here. Also right here, just pull that, it's just taped on. And now the headliner is just going to fall down. So I'll go under the front side right here, and I try to pry this section off first, so you don't bend the headliner. And then you're just going to work your way around, kind of pull it down. And then when you get to the back, you can kind of see where it's denting at in here, and you should be able to pull down and release that. Okay, so they look like this. I don't know why that one broke. Three out of the 4 made it. We can glue this back on. And yeah, your headliner's out.